CTOLITY AP2000 plus SP200. Honest review. Real solar backup power that actually delivers.
What would you actually do if the power went out right now? Last winter, my neighbor watched his chest freezer full of groceries slowly die while his router blinked off and his kid's school call collapsed mid-sentence. Total chaos in under 60 seconds flat. If that scenario feels uncomfortably close to home, drop a comment below because you are absolutely not alone in this. The real problem is never just the blackout itself. It is that crushing overwhelm the moment everything goes silent and you realize how exposed you truly are. People try gas generators, extension cords, tiny power banks. None of it is clean, quiet, or genuinely dependable. But somewhere between panic and resignation, there has to be a smarter, calmer, and more sustainable way forward. Then, everything changed when I found the CTOLITY AP2000 plus SP200. And before I go further, hear this clearly. Do not just pick any portable solar generator. Make sure it has a pure sine wave inverter, so you never waste time or money frying sensitive electronics with dirty, unstable power ever again. Here is what surprised me most. This kit arrived completely ready to deploy straight out of the box. Panel folded, cables included, station pre-charged and waiting. The CTOLITY AP2000 carries a genuine 2048 watt-hour LFP battery with 2400 watt continuous AC output, handling everything from a mini fridge to a power drill without hesitation. The UPS function switches over in under 20 milliseconds, meaning your laptop never even notices the grid dropped. The SP200 solar panel delivers 23% conversion efficiency, quietly topping the battery throughout the day. Fast AC charging fills the unit in roughly 1 hour. With over 3,000 rated cycles at 80% capacity, this is a decade-long energy partner built for real life, not just emergencies. Once you have lived with the CTOLITY AP2000 plus SP200 for even a single week, the daily confidence shift becomes completely undeniable. A verified camper van owner reported the 2,048 watt-hour capacity powered his 12-volt fridge for nearly 3 full days without any solar top-up whatsoever. A home user in Germany kept her router, television, and fridge running through an entire 6-hour storm blackout, noting that LFP chemistry gave her genuine peace of mind, knowing the battery would not silently degrade sitting at 80% charge between outages. A portable power analyst highlighted that the 3,000 watt AC input speed is genuinely best in class for this capacity range, significantly outperforming competitors still requiring 4 to 5 slow hours for a full recharge cycle. An off-grid gear reviewer described the bundled solar panel and inverter combination as a true plug-and-play emergency kit, requiring absolutely no extra adapters, cables, or technical guesswork on arrival. The most common objection I hear is weight. Let me be honest, this is not a backpacking companion. At heavier configurations, it needs 2 hands and clear space. But for a home garage, camper van, or job site, the portability is completely manageable and practical. Does a decade of quiet, reliable backup power sitting ready in your corner feel worth one slightly heavy carry? Most people who have survived one serious blackout already know exactly how they would answer that question.
Thousands of campers, homeowners, and remote professionals are already running the CTOLITY AP2000 plus SP200 as their everyday energy safety net, and the results consistently speak for themselves. Calmer during outages, faster to recharge and redeploy, sharper, more confident control over your power reality, whether you're off-grid or simply staying prepared for whatever comes next. The affiliate link is right there in the description and pinned in the comments below. Go check it out and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.